The recent audit report revealing that the National Bank of Pakistan failed to recover a loan of rupees 23.85 billion from a sugar mill has significant legal and regulatory implications. Legal framework, loan management and enforcement, contractual obligations. The failure to recover the loans indicate potential breaches of contractual obligations by the sugar mill. The loan agreement likely contained clauses regarding repayment to schedules, interest rates and penalty for the defaults. Legal resource, the bank can pursue legal actions. This involves filing lawsuits for recovery, seeking court orders to seize assets or starting bankruptcy proceedings. Regulatory compliance, the State Bank of Pakistan guidelines. The audit report mentions that the bank failed to comply with the state bank policies. This non-compliance could lead to regulatory sanitary potential penalties for the bank. Audit and oversight, the Auditor General of Pakistan findings highlighted the need of strict audit and oversight mechanism with the National Bank to prevent lapse in future policy implications. Bank sector reforms, risk management. This negate and resources the need for providing risk management practice within the Pakistani bank. Policy should be mandated through due diligence and risk management before exceeding large loans. Credit monitoring, enhanced credit monitoring systems can help in early detection of potential defaults, allowing the bank to take preemptive measures. Corporate governance accountability, the report points out the crucial negligence of banks, strengthening corporate governance frameworks to ensure accountability at all levels of the bank management is necessary. Transparency, increased transparency in the loan and the recovery process can be helpful in building the trust and preventing future defaults. Challenges and consideration, judicial efficiency, court backlogs. The efficiency of the judicial system in handling such cases is crucial. Delay in court proceedings can provide difficulties. Alternative dispute resolution, such things resolution can be should be promoted. Economical impact, financial stability is disturbed because of this. If such kind of news come forward, then more uncertainty will be increased. Such news can destroy investors' interest because banks have to show their credibility. Recommendations, strengthening legal frameworks, revising loan policies to include stricter terms and conditions. Higher risk sectors like sugar mills, enhanced legal support, providing banks with enhanced legal support to pursue recovery actions more efficiently. Regulatory reforms, state bank oversight, strengthening state bank oversight to ensure compliance with the regulatory guidelines. Audited mechanism, implementing robust audited mechanism to regular revise and assess to perform of the bank recovery by addressing all the legal aspects and regulation. Banking sector can improve its performance, because if a bank is not performing well, then it will keep facing such legal problems.